Almost 3 years ago, I started to live in my car for full time, and it will be 3 years soon. And if before I had some seats and my car was looking like this, so it was seats underneath, and I made a bed on the top of it. From the right side is kind of shelf part for different stuffs, for clothes, for kitchen. Also, I had a box for toilet, which I was not using much in general, and all the kitchen furniture I had on the front seats. So it was not that convenient when I need to drive. I need all the time to move everything backward, and it takes a lot of time. Almost 3 years I was living like this, so I decided to change a little bit and did renovation. And right now, finally, I removed the seats, fully removed. First of all, I was planning to make the bed lower, so I can sit fully. You see, like right now, before I cannot sit like this. My spine fully straight right now. I put two crates underneath, and I'm keeping the same structure and don't want to do any renovation because it's hard to make on the streets like I did before. And then I just removed the toilet and put all the kitchen furniture on this wood box. As you can see right now, I have much more space because of those seats, which takes space before, and happy with it. Still, I have big bed, so it's like 90 centimeters to 200 centimeters, so it's like big enough. Also, I have a big table right now here on the top, which I can use, and I can put stuff different there, work as well, and I have space here so I can sit. So right now we'll still live like this, and then we'll see.